Hi children, good morning. Welcome to the mathematics class. In the previous video, we started and we did many problems on cylinders. In this video, one more model we will discuss. Then we will continue with the cone, the last solid cone in our syllabus. Here, each radius of a cylinder increased by 20% and height of the cylinder height is decreased by 20% again. Find the change in its first one volume and the second one CSA, curved surface area. What are the changes? Changes in the sense in terms of percentage. If increased means how much percentage increased, if decreased means how much percent decreased. That one we have to find out. Here we need to compare with the old one and new one. In general, we have radius R only. Here the new radius R increased by 20%, mean R plus 20% of R. Here R means 100%, 20, mean in total 120%, mean 120 by 100 R. That is 6 by 5 R. The new one. Next H, the old one, the new one. It is decreased, mean H minus 20% of H, mean 80 by 100 H, mean here 4 by 5 H. Now we need to compare its volume and surface area. Here the volume is pi r square h. New volume pi as it is r 6 by 5 r whole square, h 4 by 5 h. Now pi here 36 by 25 r square and 4 by 5 h. Here pi r square h of 36 fours 144, 25 fives 125. So the change is pi r square into 144 by 125. The change is 144 by 125, that much increased. Now we need to compare the new to old. Okay, I will compare once again here. Here the change is 144 by 125 minus 1 of pi r square h. Here 144 minus 125 by 125 pi r square h. Here 9, here 1 by 125 pi r square h. Here 19 by 125 times of volume increased. In terms of percentages, we want to mean right here. Remember these two things. Here R 6 by 5 R H becomes 4 by 5 H after increase of 20%, after increase of 20%. Now increased percent equal to increase in value by original value 1 only into 100. Then pairs per H cancel. Here pairs per H, here also pairs per H, both get cancelled. Now 19 by 125 into 100. Here 4 times, here 5 times. 19476 by 5 mean here 15.2%, 15.2% volume increased. 15.2% volume increase. Okay, here radius, each of radius and height of a cylinder, here increased by 20%, here decreased by 20%. Then find the changes in its volume and CSA they are asking. Here old volume is pairs per H, new volume according to increment and decrement of R and H. Here we got 6 by 5 whole square and 4 by 5. In this way, we got the change as 19,125 pairs per H. 19 by 125 times it was increased. So the increased value, the original value 200 is its change. So here 15.2% volume increased. In that only we have second case. That is changes in its CSA. In general, CSA is 2 pi RH. A new CSA is 2 into pi, no change here. R means 6 by 5 R, H means 4 by 5 H. So in total 2 pi RH of here 6 4 24 by 25 times increased. Okay, here 24 by 25 is proper value. Proper fraction is always less than 1, means than original this was less. Now we need to find its decreased value. Here a change is 2 pi RH minus 2 pi RH of 24 by 25. So here 2 pi RH common, 1 minus 24 by 25. Here 2 pi RH of 1 by 25. 1 by 25. I like here. Here 2 pi RH of 1 by 25. That is the change. Now in terms of percentage, so decreased percent equal to decrease in value. Here 2 pi RH into 1 by 25 by 2 pi RH into 100. 2 pi RH will cancel. 1 by 25 into 100. Here 4. So 4% decrease. 4% CSA decreased. 4% CSA decreased. In terms of volume, it was increased by 15.2%. But in case of CSA, it was decreased by 4%. In this way, we can find the changes in volume and curved surface areas. Like this, many problems are there for us. Sometimes they will decrease radius and sometimes they will increase height. At that situation also, with respect to the changes, we need to find the percentages. Afterwards, if you get proper fraction, decreased value, improper mean that is increased value. In that way, we can find the required results. Okay, these type of problems you will find in quantitative aptitude also. Okay. Do the problems first of all in your textbook, then you will continue in quantitative aptitude. Next, after the completion of cone, we have after the completion of cylinder, we have cone. This is the last thing for the screening. After completion of cone, I'll give revision videos. So, first of all, let us discuss cone. Cone. Cone is also considered as a solid figure. Actually, cone is a pyramid which has a vertex and slant height, radius, and height. Here for cone, the volume of cone is 1/3 volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder. It doesn't have any theoretical proof, but practical proofs we have. Take one cylinder with the same height as a cone, pour water into the cylinder, then 3 terms of cone's capacity is equal to the capacity of a cylinder. That is only proof for cone. Here volume is 1/3 of a cylinder, that is mass square h. Now, here there is a relation between slant height and radius of the cone. That is slant height L square, hypotenuse square equal to h square plus r square. Here L is under square root over h square plus r square. That is the formula for finding slant height L. Now, curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. Total surface area of a cone is lateral surface area minus CSA plus base area. That is pi r L plus base is in the shape of a circle. That's why pi r square. Here pi r common. Here L, here R. So TSA of a cone is pi r of L plus R. Listen once again. Here for the cone has 4 important parts. First one, vertex, height of the cone, slant height of the cone, then radius of the cone. Because base is in the shape of a circle. Examples of cone are body caps, ice cream cups, and tents, circus tents. These are the examples of cone. In daily life situation, we could find the cones in many ways. In some building structures also in the shape of cone only. In general, these type of structures we could find in China. Otherwise, pyramids also in the shape of cone only, because cone is a pyramid, curved pyramid, a prism and pyramid. So total solids are divided into prism and pyramid. In that, this is a pyramid shape. Okay, here problem 1. First one, find volume and CSA, TSA of a cone whose base radius is 8 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters. Take pi as 3.14. Take pi as 3.14. In general, 22/7. Sometimes they will give pi value as 3.14. Whenever they give 3.14, you need to take 3.14 instead of pi. So here first volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Here 1/3 pi means 3.14 they give. R square means 8 square. H 6. So here 1/3 into 3.14 into 8 square means 64 into 6. Here 3 2 times. Here 3.14 means 6.28 into 64. 6.28 into 64. 32. 8 plus 3 11. 24 plus 1 25. Here 6 6 8 48. 12 plus 4 16. 36 plus 1 37. Here 401.92 centimeter cube is the volume of cone. Volume of cone. Next, they asked CSA. Here pi r L, but L is not given. But with the help of H and R, we can find L. Here L is under square root of H square plus R square. Here H means 6 square plus R means 8 square. Here 36 plus 64, 110. L is 10 centimeters. So CSA equal to pi means 3.14, R means 8, L means 10. Now only one. Here 31.4 into 8. If you multiply anything by 10, it moves 1.9. Means 31. 3 becomes 31.4 anyway. 8 4 32. 8 plus 3 11. 24 plus 1 25. So 251.2 centimeters square is the CSA of a cone. Okay, here volume is 1/3 pi square h. Here pi is 3.14 they give. R means 8 square into 6. Here 3 2 times. Here 2 into 3.14 6.28 into 64. After multiplication we got 401.92. Then CSA, for finding CSA, here we require L with the help of H and R. We got L as 10 centimeters. Now CSA is 3.14 into R mean 8 into L mean 10. So 3.14 into 10 becomes 31.4 into 8, that is 251.2 is the CSA. Now one thing we have to find, that is TSA. Here the TSA is pi R of L plus R. Here pi means 3.14 into R mean 8, L mean 10, again R mean 8 only. And here 3.14 into 8 into 18. 8 is 144. 3.14 into 144. Here 144 into 3.14. 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Here 4 plus 1, 5. Again 144. 3 4s 12. Again 3 4s 12 plus 1, 13. 3 plus 1, 4. Here 6. Here 1. 12, 5. Here 4. Here 4, 5, 2.16 centimeter square is the required DSA of a cone with the help of given measurements. Okay, these are the things we find here. Okay, in this video we discussed volume of cone, that surface area of cone, total surface area of a cone, and one problem also we completed with the help of TSA, LSA and CSA. Volume also. LSA and CSA are same. Volume also fine. Okay. In the next video we will continue the problems in cone. Have a nice day.